So I'm at the top of Scratchface Lane. I've just ridden up it, talking about Andy's Man Club, so I'm going to do an Andy's Man Club section. Ow, what the fuck, that was shot. Cool, bastard. An Andy's Man Club section, which is basically me riding all the way from over there to here, and then basically up here. What a sketchy, gnarly lane that was. Fuck me. Some massive holes. I'm going to ride back down it so I can get home, because you're not allowed to go that way, really, down into Weed. Although technically I've ridden here, so now I've got access. You know, Ede's down there. But I thought I'd just stop here for the view. There's my boy, Centurion. Thinking about trading him in next year for an F900 GS trophy, I think it is, because it comes with a lot more stuff. Because, you know, I've got to get different tyres, I've got risers which I've got to fit, I haven't got a torque wrench. You know, I had to add the metal there. It's got ABS, which I can't turn off, which I'm now finding is an absolute faff. Before it didn't bother me, but now, you know, I'm off-roading, makes different. But what a view. So that way is Dartmoor, Longdown, Whitstone and all that lot. This is Exeter. Those houses down in the bottom of the valley, that's Ede, I-D-E. Non-locals probably call it Ida or ID, whatever. You can see like the universities over there. That great big ship looking thing there is a massive, great big recycling plant. And that's Marsh Barton. Used to be Europe's largest concentration of car dealers. Fairly interesting claim to fame. That there, across that way as well, you see that ridge directly in front of me where those houses are. That's Hambear Lane, which you can also ride along, but not from that side. You have to come down from where that White House is, and you ride up that, and yes, that's steep. I've got a video of that. And then you ride along the top there. And there's a nice water crossing down there as well, which is also in videos I've done with Exeter Rider. But on the whole, that was a cracking lane. I've just been feeling like I needed to get out. I never got, when people go, oh, I need to ride for my mental health. I didn't understand that, because I still get really anxious about riding. However, when I'm on my bike and I'm thinking about riding, I'm not thinking about everything else, unless, of course, like I just did, I do a piece to this camera and talk about it. But yeah, I do. When I'm on the bike, I switch off, and then I kind of get anxious when I'm not riding now. Which is quite a lot, because obviously lots of things to do, and it's getting dark and it's wet, and you know, I've got to walk the dog and do other stuff, care for people, you know, split the time. So when I do get on the bike, even if it's out for like today, it's probably going to be for half an hour or so, maybe, I don't know. It's great. It really is great. I hope to God I haven't got this fucking camera in time lapse.